Adobe Express, when you log in your Adobe Express, if you have login in your Adobe Express, you will get the idea that when you log in from your Gmail ID, they will ask you that they will ask you about your name, about your professions, and such multiple questions. So when you answer that question, based on that, Adobe Express will create your own profile. Now, the Adobe Express, my own account, and the details I have show you, that was for a designers, and that from the designer profile, what you can use for your education materials, and what kind of designs you can create from the any of Adobe account and any of Adobe Express account when you log in it. Now today on a highlight note, I'm trying to log in Adobe Express from my another Gmail ID, and I'm trying to show you that what can be a one educator's account. So I'll share on my screen, and you will be able to check on that how educators Adobe account can look like. So I've shared my screen. I'll share my screen with everyone, and everyone can able to see this. Now I have already searched for Adobe Express, so now I'm coming in the screen. You are able to see that I have already tried to log in it. So I'm going back to the first thing when you are trying to log in from your account. So I'm logging in from the another account, and you can see this, that I'm going back to here. You can see this here is a two options is given to us, that individual and for the business, and students and teachers. So I'm going to the students and teachers account, and then I will log in from my another Gmail ID, and I'll continue this. And you can see this, that they are asking such information, and I'm just putting a random information. And it is taking a little bit of time to load, to search on it, to create an account for the teachers and the students. And I will let you know that what are the updates for Adobe Express in the teachers. As you can see this is just a general account, you can see this. But when you log in with your ID, and uh, when you prefer to be a educator, when you prefer to be a teacher or a student, at that time your profile will be a little bit of different. When you go to the plus account, you can see this, it's basically it is just a similar account. There is no difference for the these stuff, your stuff, brands, and the templates and the schedules. Then there is a learn, and there is add-ons. And when we are going to the add-ons, you can see this, what Adobe Express have add-on, and what you can add in your Adobe Express account. So I'm just trying to explore that. When we are logging from the students and teachers account, what are the new elements which we can add in Adobe Express? And there is one thing that here you can, there is one thing which I was seen. This is the thing. I'm just going back to my own old account, and you can see this. We have here 1, 2, 3, and 4 options are here. And when we are coming to the students and teachers account, we have one more option is here, which is called manage people's role and access. As per in this Adobe account, and you can see this, they are giving us update options also. As per, and for this you have to start your premium account. With your premium account, you can add on your students, and you can add on, as a teacher you can add on your classroom students, where you are teaching it, and you can access this Adobe Express account with your students. And in this Adobe Express account, you can directly access in micro Google Classroom. When you add this go trial for premium account, and when we are just going for the trial, so I'll put on some of the details. We are going for the trials, and you can see this. They are giving us a premium for the students and teachers. Premium is 494.42 plus GST. And you can see this 40 days free trial they are giving us. So for the 14 days, you can just take a free trial. You might be okay. They are asking for the details of the credits, so we wouldn't be able to proceed right now. And you can see this, they are asking for it, that how many persons you are looking for, how many persons you are going to add on in your team. And based on that, they will give you the process of that. So based on that, you can just with the help of 3 to 4 people, you can ask them, one of in the team or in a classroom, if the students are here, one of the student will everybody will collect the amount of 494 per month, and then they will try to start the classroom. And if you want to make a trial, you just need to select on the people. You're not going to pay for that, and you just need to remember that the 14 days trial ends. So your trial will end on 28 September if you are paying right now. So on the day of 14th day, they will give you the notification that on the 13th or 14th day, they will give you a notification that your free trial is going to end up. And then you can end up, if you want to end up there's a subscription, you can end up your subscription also, and you can end up the session also. But before that, you can just add on from here. You will see that if you make the premium and you add on the people from here, you will able to see that there will be the option called a classroom. And with here the option, you can directly access the classroom from your Adobe account, and you can directly teach your students from anywhere. With the classroom, you can add on your designing materials which you have designed here. And as I've already shown you, when you design any of the design materials, I'm going back to my session, and yes, we are coming back to the home page. And you can see this, when you can design any of the design materials. I'm just taking one of the example of the template, and I'm just trying to show you again on that, highlighting on the education sectors. And you can see this, there is a button called a share. Okay. So we are just giving a 1 more minute to Adobe Express, and they are just working on something to the file. So I've just refresh it. Maybe it will work on it. So they are working on a file. So we will just try to make sure. I'm just rename the file. So maybe it will be able to see on it. And yes, when you select on the share button, I'm again giving you the option that you can share your any of the materials, design materials, study materials. If you have design in Adobe Express, you can directly from here, you can share on the Google Classroom and the Teams also. So while login in an Adobe Express account, you can see this in this account also who has access. Only invite people has access. And you can see this, you can create the option that anyone with this link, or only invited people also. You can just add on some details, and you can copy the link. And you can see this here, they have given the options also, view only link, and there are some of the options. They have invitee also in this account also. You can invite a people, and you can add on some of the people if you want to And if you can also, while adding it, you can give them a permission that they can edit this file or not, or they can just view the file or not. You can give them an permission according to your file. So that is these are the benefits of the Adobe Express. As an educator, you can check on that. And with these templates, I just want to show you one of the video on Adobe Express. If I have forgot to tell you something related to the education, if I'm missed it out, so this Adobe Express guide video, a small guide video, which I'm going to share with you. I'm going to show you on the today's session, which will gives you the 100% information regarding the classrooms and the community and the creativity for the educators guide. That video name is that. So I'm just going to play it and try to watch this video carefully, so we'll be able to see that how Adobe Express is working. And that video will take a short time to open it to play. And yes, the video is here. So as you can see this in this video, they have just to show us one of the thing, that here is a one thing that when you are playing the video here, when you're playing any of the video, you can see this, they have a one of the button. From that you can just drag this video and you can go back to the on your design which you are creating it, and you can side by side you can play this video and you can create the design also. So I'm just going to play this portion once again. I guess there is a glitch. I'll just try to refresh the page, and we will see these videos for the Adobe Express tool for us. That what what are the details. It can be possible that there are details which is missed by me, that can be possible. So we are not able to. So you will get the proper guide on that. So I'm just trying to play this video so that we can get on some more details on that. Okay, that video is yeah, there is some network issue. I guess I'm feeling it. That video might be not proper for us to play right now. This video is taking a little bit of time. I'm sorry about my voice. Just a second. So I'm coming back here, and we are just playing the video on the tour of Adobe Express, and it is having a glitch because okay, so this is because it is taking some of the a bit of time. By the time I'll just share stop sharing my screen for a few seconds till the time Adobe Express is prepared to play the video for us for the guide, which can be possible that we have missed from my end. So I want to ask for to all the participants, which is available on today's session, on the last day of our session. So I have a request every participants that do try to log in Adobe Express and do try to explore Adobe Express, and I will review your design, or I will do some hands-on practice on Adobe Express on the last day. So I want to ask to all the participants from this session that does any one of you tried Adobe Express or not? You can unmute yourself and you can answer my questions, or you can answer the questions on the chat box also if you are not willing to unmute yourself. So I want to know that if anyone here have tried Adobe Express, and if they have any of the issues with the Adobe Express. Anyone have tried Adobe Express, or anyone can right now log in Adobe Express and check on some hands-on things on Adobe Express? Who wants to take initiate to log in Adobe Express and try to work something on Adobe Express while sharing their screens on this meet? Hello, am I audible to any everyone? Well, I have asked multiple questions. Yes, if I'm audible, I'm requesting every participants that if they can try to share their screens, or anyone who have a login on today's meet on their devices and on that laptop or a PC system, that I would love that if anyone can try to log in Adobe Express and they can share their experience with Adobe Express. That will be wonderful for me right now to take this session with every single participant. Archana Tripathi ma'am, or Dr. Madhuri ma'am, uh, Sunaina Garg ma'am, Harsh sir, or Dr. Ashwin Kumar sir, Vineet sir, Sanju Sharma ma'am, or Pravina ma'am, Rima ma'am. Anyone wants to go for it to try and log in from your system? Please give me an answer if you can.
Namaste, ma'am. This is
Namaste, ma'am.
Madhuri. Thank you very much, ma'am, for the wonderful sessions all these days.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, it was very informative and very much useful. But still, myself have to explore what you have explained and taught us all these days in
Mm-hmm.
the in this FTP. Presently, I am on my mobile phone and couldn't access Adobe Express uh, right now properly. I am trying to log in into my laptop and have to explore many things what you have
Yeah.
expressed, ma'am. Still to explore, ma'am.
Oh,
So
fair enough. There will be
need
no problem.
some more time for me to explore and uh, learn what you have taught.
Sure, sure. Do explore that and do let me know if anyone have any of the queries regarding the session.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your efforts, and thank you so much for letting me know that you are going to explore the session. So I'm just going back to our video section, and I'll just refresh the page, and we will go back to the our video guide session. Okay, I'll share my screen once again. I forget to share my screen. So yes, the screen is properly visible, and if there is any problem in visibility, to let me know.
Adobe Express is your one-stop shop for making almost every kind of digital project.
Every participant, I'm just asking that does the voice is able? You guys are able to hear me or hear the voice of the video? I'm feeling that everyone is able to hear the
In this
video.
video, we'll give you an overview of Express. You can start and stop this video at any time. We encourage you to open up a new tab, log into your Adobe Express account, and practice alongside us.
Introducing the new Home. Redesigned with direct input from teachers and students, the updated Home makes it easier than ever to jump in and start creating. The cleaner layout, faster navigation, and more intuitive design helps you find what you need quickly so you can spend more time creating. And don't worry, Any projects you've already created in your Edu Express account are still safe in your stuff, exactly where you left them. Or here in the recent files scroll bar, nothing has been lost. We'll start by walking through what all users see, create and edit. If you're an educator, you also get an extra tab called Teach. The Create tab is your launchpad for starting something new in Adobe Express, with quick start cards to help you jump right into a project. From generating AI images, if your school has that feature enabled, and QR codes, to designing posters, infographics, and logos. Jump into ready-to-edit templates for videos, drawings, presentations, and web pages, or bring your voice to life with animated characters. The Create tab makes it easy for anyone to jump in and start creating right away. No design experience needed. Now let's take a look at the Edit tab, where you can access the quick actions, simple time-saving tools that help you get things done fast without needing advanced editing skills. You can remove backgrounds or objects from images, insert new ones, and convert files between formats like PDF and SVG. Easily edit PDFs, add captions to videos, convert videos to GIFs, and combine multiple files into one, all with just a few clicks. The Teach tab is only visible to educators and serves as your dedicated space for classroom-ready tools, resources, and inspiration. Some features may vary by region, so if you don't see everything just yet, check back soon as we continue to optimize globally.
As you can see this in this screen right now, the video is taking a time to reload, so I'm just trying to show you that. As you can see this, when you have login as a teacher, you can see this, they have a one of the section is educator here, what I was trying to show you. Based on the ads on, they are giving us a one of the educator details, and you can see this when you have tried to create anything, they will give you a session of the teach, and you can see this, they have show us multiple videos for teachers, how to go for the education sessions, and how to go for the education details, that how you can share your stuff with your students, and how you can take assistant from your students, and you can how you can create the community and everything. So for the educators, that is a different. So please try to, if you are an educator, please try to, if you are a teachers or the faculties, try to create your educator account, and do let me know if you're
Start with a
after the session
30-minute
also.
self-paced course.
After the session also, if you are having any of the queries regarding the educator account and regarding any other details, I will try to create one more education account to let know, and you can ask me a questions if there is any other problems after the session also.
To build confidence. And earn your Adobe Creative Educator badge.
And you can see this right now, Adobe Express is trying to show us that while using Adobe Educator account, you can be a Adobe Creative Educator. You can get the badge of that, and you will be able to access any other tools of the Adobe Express also right now, which will be, I don't know exactly about that, because I'm also not getting that badge, that is new for me also. So there are some details which we were not aware about the Adobe Express. Because of that, I have
From
played these videos. so that we can get some of the details. You can also get new details, and I can also get the new details, some of the which is missed by me. I guess the video is having some problem because of the network. I'll just check on my network. Yeah, the network is the good one,
There,
but yeah.
space for classroom-ready tools, resources, and inspiration. Some features may vary by region, so if you don't see everything just yet, check back soon as we continue to optimize globally. Start with a 30-minute self-paced course to build confidence and earn your Adobe Creative Educator badge. From there,
I guess there is a glitch with this network.
base course to build confidence and earn your Adobe Creative Educator badge. From there,
Okay, so now I have already switched the network, so I'm feeling like there are some of the glitch regarding the videos only, video itself. So we are I'm just trying to refresh the page once again, so that maybe we can see the better way of it, because it is really important. As you can see this in these two videos, we have get the ideas of the two small things regarding the education account, regarding the educator. There are a few small details which was not even notified by me also, because I'm not aware about the until yet I was not aware about the Adobe Express education account, and there are some of the details which is especially for the educator. If you are an educator, so that is especially for educators, and there are some of the details which you can use it as an educator.
Adobe Express is your one-stop shop for making almost every kind of digital project. In this video, we'll give you an overview In this video, we'll give you an overview of Express. You can start and stop this video at
As you can see this, I have tried to play this video once again, but there are some of the glitches, so I'm just sharing this link with you on the chat box, so everyone can get access of this video, and you can get on this you can go to this video and you can see this video, and you can get the idea as an
anytime.
educator.
We encourage you to open up a new tab, log into your Adobe Express account, and practice alongside us.
introducing the new home. Redesigned with direct input from teachers and students, the updated home makes it easier than ever to jump in and start creating. The cleaner layout, faster navigation, and more intuitive design helps you find what you need quickly so you can spend more time creating. And don't worry, any projects you've already created in your Edu Express account are still safe in your stuff, exactly where you left them. Or here in the recent files scroll bar, nothing has been lost. We'll start by walking through what all users see: create and edit. If you're an educator, you also get an extra tab called Teach. The Create tab is your launchpad for starting something new in Adobe Express, with quick start cards to help you jump right into a project. From generating AI images, if your school has that feature enabled, and QR codes, to designing posters, infographics, and logos. Jump into ready-to-edit templates for videos, drawings, presentations, and web pages, or bring your voice to life with animated characters. The Create tab makes it easy for anyone to jump in and start creating right away. No design experience needed. Now let's take a look at the Edit tab, where you can access the quick actions, simple time-saving tools.
I'll just try to play the another video where we can get some of the other details. Where you have, I have tried to play this video again, but there was some glitch. We will go back to the next video, and we will see in this video if there is any of the details which is left by us, and which we can take a look, and we will see that how this Adobe Express is working.
A great way for students to demonstrate learning is through a digital presentation. And with Adobe Express, your students can incorporate generative AI, tables, charts, animated characters, and so much more to make presentations more effective. In this video, we will show you 10 ways to up-level student presentations and bring their ideas to life with Adobe Express. You can start from one of our thousands of student activity templates or create from scratch. Throughout the video, I will occasionally pause and give you a little extra context. You can pause too and play around in the editor with me.
Open up a blank presentation, then search for a background image. You can make it exactly what you imagined using Insert Object. Then use the fun and dynamic text effects to make your presentation unique. Choose media to add to your presentation. You can add animations, remove backgrounds, and crop anything easily. Next, you can generate images to demonstrate your understanding of an idea using text to image. Then bring your data to life with charts and graphs. Annotate your thinking by drawing directly on images in the drawing editor.
As educators, we love this annotation technique because we know that when students show their thinking, we're also promoting self-reflection and cognition. Annotating helps students take agency over their own learning. Take a moment and try it out yourself. Open up the drawing portion of Express and practice writing on an image. It's fun and easy.
Choose a character to explain your ideas or to discuss a topic with yourself. Improve your work with real-time feedback from peers and teachers on any part of the project. Quickly add captions and translate your videos and presentations to make them accessible to anyone. And finally, you can turn your work into a web page and share it using a QR code to turn your school into a virtual museum of learning.
All right. You just saw how to up-level a presentation. Quick tip, Express has new features launching all the time. The best way to learn and keep learning is directly in the editor through our Learn panel, which can be found by clicking on the light bulb icon. Search the tips to learn things like how to add effects and adjust a photo, or how to edit a clip in a video.
You can see here in this video, I've just paused the video, and you can see this where on the last portion, they have shown us that they are able to change the language also. You can change your language easily, and you can just share your you can share your work as a web page.
Finally, you can turn your work into a web page and share it using a QR code to turn your school into a virtual museum of learning.
All right, you just saw how
So now I'm going back to the another video. I'm going to the next video where we can take one more, we will get one more few details.
Discover the guided activities in Adobe Express. Each activity includes a video tutorial and step-by-step instructions, making them simple to assign and complete. These activities are created by educators for educators and tested with students. These brief activities teach essential 21st century skills directly within the editor. From creating explainer videos to subject-specific projects in language arts, science, social studies, and math, there's something for every class.
Guided activities are lightweight projects intended to help you and your students learn how to use Express in just a few easy steps. Each guided activity includes a template, a video, and written instructions to help you and your students learn how to use Express quickly and create a fun project at the same time. You can find our entire collection of guided activities under the Learn tab on the left side. The Guided Activities tab is on the top. You can share the guided activity by pressing the chain link icon. Once you click on a guided activity, it will open up with the Learn panel on the right. Each activity has a short video and steps to guide you and your students through an easy and fun process of learning while engaging with digital tools. You can pop out the video and turn on the closed captioning in English and in Spanish. You can remind students that they can pause and re-watch different steps so they can work at their own pace and edit along with the video tutorial. Below the video, there are step-by-step instructions with images and linked terms to help you and your students navigate the editor even better. If you click on the Learn arrow at the top of the panel, you can explore even more Learn videos, articles, and other guided activities.
On the home screen, you'll find our collection of subject-aligned templates designed to bring creativity into language arts, math, social studies, and science.
On the home screen in Express, click the Templates button to review a variety of pre-made, classroom-ready templates that are free to use for you and your students. Use the filter controls on the left to filter templates by output, subject, grade level, and more. You can even filter to find activities designed by our community experts specifically for students, and to find guided activities with built-in instructions.
In this video, we will show you how to create your own remixable templates and activities that are unique to your classroom and curriculum. You can start from scratch or use an existing template and edit it to be exactly what you need for your classroom. Once you have finished creating your unique template, you can give your unique design to students in two ways. You can share your template directly by clicking Remix. This will create your unique link. You can copy this into your LMS or email and share it with students in the way that suits your needs. If you need to go back and make edits, just remember to press Update Link. If you have our classroom feature, you can simply assign your template by pressing Assign and filling out the necessary information to share it with your students.
Students and teachers asked for this feature, and we delivered. The elements of student creation become visible. With classrooms, you can view student progress in real time and empower collaboration. I'm excited for you to explore these features. Remember to pause the video and practice on a separate screen as you go.
First, make sure you're logged in with your school ID and that you're using a teacher account. Next, from the home screen in Express, click on the classroom icon on the left. Click the Create Class button to create your personalized classroom. Fill in the name, the subject, and the grade level. Enter a co-teacher's email to help manage assignments and view student work. Then click Save. In the class where you want to invite students, click Add Students. This will generate a class code and a link. Click Copy Class Link and share the link with your students using an email, LMS share method, or whatever works best for your classroom. You can also have students type in the URL and put in the unique class code themselves. All of these join methods lead students to this page where they can join your class. There are two ways to assign activities. The first way is to go to a template or guided activity, then press Assign in the top right. The second way to assign activities is from inside the classroom, using the Create Assignment button. In either case, you'll see the same menu. Fill in the assignment title and select the class you'd like to assign the project to. Then you can select up to 5 projects or activities that generate blank templates for your students to start from. Your stuff will open a personalized activity for your students to use, pulling directly from the activities that you have saved to your account. Toggle on Class Gallery to allow your students to see one another's work once it's turned in. After you click Assign, this assignment is now live in your class, and students can access it either directly from the link that you've shared or by opening the class in their classroom space. You'll be able to see your students working in real time, whether the project has been turned in, is in progress, or if you've returned it to them for further editing. And once students have turned in their assignments, you and your students can look at the class gallery to be able to see one another's final work.
Classrooms are designed to help you track each student's progress. This allows you to see where each student is excelling and where they might need extra support, helping ensure everyone's success. You and your students can leave comments, give suggestions, and feedback that enhances collaboration inside and outside of the classroom.
In your class, you can see if students have turned in their work for any given assignment. To comment on a student's work, simply click on their activity, then comment in the text box on the right-hand side. You can return their work to them to make adjustments based on your feedback, or you can simply provide a comment with their final grade. A student will click on the notification, see the comment on their work, and be able to improve and respond based on your feedback. You can click the Students tab in the top right corner to easily navigate between each student and view their work quickly.
Okay, so here we are about the Adobe Express on the education account. As you can see this in this video, there are saying that you can access Adobe Express with your student or teacher's account, and you can do the multiple activity with your educator account. So here is the end of our session, and this is done with our session on Adobe Express. I have just only requesting every participants that do try to explore any of yes ma'am, you can do try to explore Adobe Express with it. And yes, ma'am, you can download the application on Adobe Express also. And you need to check that if it is able to play on your device phone also. But I request you to use Adobe Express only in your laptops or in your system only. Do not use it in your phone. It wouldn't be able to give you the proper idea on the phone, but better ideas are the laptops or the PCs. Thank you so much for joining on the session on Adobe Express, and we will come back with some more new creative sessions. And I request